How to fix Marvel Rivals and Unreal process has crashed error. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Steam application in your PC. Once you open it up, you'll have to go ahead and log into your account. And once you log into your account, you want to head on to library and then tap on Marvel Rivals. And inside Marvel Rivals, you want to make sure it's not running in the background. So once you check that, right click on it, tap on Properties, and inside Properties, tap on General, and inside General, tap on this Launch option, and then type in -dx12 and see if that works for you. If not, simply type in -dx11 and see if that works for you. After that, simply tap on Installed Files. Now inside Installed File, you'll find Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and tap onto it, and once it is verified, you will then be good to go. Well, that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.